Have you ever feel tired of typing your Windows 10 password every time when you turn on your PC? Maybe you are the only one using your computer and entering a password just feel unnecessary, or maybe you just want faster access when you are in rush. Whatever the reason, removing Windows 10 password is super simple, but remember it's always less secure to have no password to your window. So let's quickly go through how you can safely remove the password and sign in automatically. So step 1 is to open user account settings. For that you can press Windows plus R to open the run box and then type netplwiz and press enter. This will open user accounts window. In the user accounts window you will see a list of accounts. Select your account and uncheck the box that says user must enter a username and password to use the computer. After unchecking, click apply and confirm your password. A new window will pop up asking you for enter your current password. You have to click OK and then OK again to close everything. Now just simply restart your computer and you will notice that it will log in you automatically without password. If you are on Windows Microsoft instead of a local account, you might need to switch to a local account first and then heads up for safety. And that's it. No more typing of password every time you boot up your PC. Quickly, easily, and it saves your time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. If you got any questions or issue, you can drop them in comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.